Thokozani, Emokhosini, Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Momkhulu, Thokozani everyone that is watching this video. So I am back again. I think this is the last video, yeah, that I'm gonna be making today. But I was like, let me just come here and then plug you guys because I know Wutini disappeared for a while. It's just like I was trying to grow some other platforms, you understand? So in YouTube, TikTok, and then Instagram. So I was more focused on TikTok. Yeah, currently we are on 8,000 followers. Thank you so much, guys. If you do not follow me on TikTok, what are you waiting for? Go on TikTok. Name of Black Lamaning, like, you understand? Anala. Just go to Lana, I go deeper. That's where I explain things. TikTok, I hardly explain, just go to, I do plug, but Lana, it's deeper. Lana, we share secrets. Lana, we share everything, you know. So if you are not subscribed yet, tell you subscribe. Okay, so in particular, this it's an oil. Oil lena, but see, it's called Follow Me. It's called Follow Me. Guys. So le oil lena, it's a sort of a oil perfume. Yanugelela. So acting with uyifaka because ya memet yarasa. Yarasa. So it's called Follow Me. Iyasebenza guys. Iyasebenza. Ngathaskani plug. Hey. So lena uyayisebenzisa uindoda umfati yonke isiphi yawasha isiyangena la. You understand? Iyasebenza. Nkosi yami, you need to get you some. Nkosi. Follow me. Whether be it money, whether be it relationship, whether be it emsebenzini nje. You understand? La ungena khona ufuna ukuthi boom. Yeah, la. Guys, ungathi please go get you some. If ungathi ukuthi ungayithola kuphi, ungatsapele ngitshela ukuthi gogo ngiyayifuna, send imali. Imali ye this ukuthi ngiyithenge, and then imali ye lona ye courier as well. So run. You understand? Run, don't walk, run. Yo, run guys, run. So yeah, Thokozani Emakhosini. Yenza amawalawala. I don't wanna angifuna ukuthi mention it into yenza amawalawala. Usenza kanjani na? Faka emva kwetindlebe, faka emashiyeni akho na uphuma. Ngayifaka like on your wrist here, like so. Let me just show you. Let me just open it. Ayamemeta shem. Yabo. And then ngayirapha so ngoba iyamemeta. I didn't close. Iyamemeta nkosi yami. Iyamemeta. Marinukelela kamnanzi. So nawuphuma nkosi yami, nawuphuma. Hayi. Make sure ukuthi uyi-applyile, because what do you mean? What do you mean? Ngathi guys, run. So this is also something that you can use. Ngayisebenzisa yodwana kuphela, iyasebenza nje, yenda tinto. So Thokozani Emakhosini, I love you guys so much. Nginibhlagile ngani subscribe button. Ngiyanithanda. Thank you so much.